red, white, and blue with the silver, red, white, and blue. I haven't found a silver GT500, but hopefully they have one. But of course, when it comes to Dark Horse, we are actually growing this one every single time. I mean, we have some really good colors. Yeah, here we go. Red, white, and blue, silver. Well guys, welcome back to another episode. Can't wait to showcase what we got today and of course some goodies along the way. So with that, it is also that time yet again. We have a mail call. This is from West TN DIECAST or West Tennessee DIECAST. My man David did a trade and he should be getting his package today. Today is Monday. I sent out a few, what was it, Friday? Sometime before I left for our trip. A lot of you should be getting them by today. So with this piece right here, I have been looking for this one for the collection for the longest time, and it's going to fit perfectly in this section. If you guys can see the theme here, it is going to be a piece of that nature. Hot Wheels, super treasure hunt, and it was a really good deal. And then of course right here in the bag from Walmart, we scored some goodies as well. Of course, M2 as always. M2, I swear, is just flooding the collection. I mean, every episode we feature M2, and you guys already know I'm a huge fan of the Mustangs they push out. A lot of people don't like the quality of the wheels and they don't roll good. Yes, some of them are kind of like, okay, they slacked on that one, but when you're talking about a collector who loves Mustangs and variations and just some cool pieces, M2 is definitely where it's at. So before we get to the box from David, we're going to go ahead and open up and see what we got and what we're going to add to the collection. So let's go ahead and pull out this one. You guys can already see it. It is bright yellow, but another new one from M2. We have the 1969 Mustang Funny Car rocking the really cool Frantic Ford Deco. I mean, you got the metallic yellow, black stripes, the opening body. This thing is super clean. But the thing I like with it is the truck. You have the 69 F350. Now this is something that they don't do too often. Normally it's the C190 or the C950. I mean, C950, COEs, all the cab over engine type. And I'm glad that they actually threw the 69 F350. It's a really cool piece. You got the white wheels. This is of course one of the 9250. There is a chase. I don't know what color wheel setup is on there, but I will showcase the picture for you guys if I can find it. But really cool, Frantic Ford. Have no idea what the story behind it is, but of course I'm going to lean on you guys to let me know down in the comments. So here is another M2 fresh for the collection. That is a super solid piece. Then the next one is another M2. This one right here is the Cobra Jet, the 1970 428 Super Cobra Jet in green. It does have metal flake. You got the moon dish wheels with the matching color trim. Very clean. Very clean. Look at that. You have the Cobra Jet shaker, the stripes. And of course, we've seen similar colors be released before, the 1968. Right here, we also had, let's see, there was another one similar to that color. Maybe I'm just overthinking it. Maybe it was just that one. They do have some oddball greens, the Mallory green up there. We have some little bit lime green, but this one right here is another new piece. And of course, I just love how it's just very simple, very clean, and just rocking the 1970s, man. This is awesome. So there is another M2 for the collection. All right, last three right here, they're not M2. They are actually the Kinsmart Pullbacks. We have the black and yellow Shelby GT500. This thing is super cool. This was found at the Mall of America. And I gotta say, when I seen the black and yellow, I was like, ooh, I had never seen this one before. Love the color setup. Yes, $10. Ugh, I hate paying that, but it's really cool. 67. And I love picking these up for the collection. We do have quite a few versions in here. We have, of course, the red, white, and blue, and the Eleanor setup in that powder gray with the black stripes. And now we can add a black and yellow. So when I found this one, I was like, oh, that's so cool because this is black and yellow. And then we went yellow and black with the M2. And there we go. Following up, we have two more. This right here is the recolor I have been looking for. It's the 2024 Dark Horse in the Ford Performance livery in silver metallic. Now it has a slight hint of blue in it. It's not a true silver. I don't know if it's Ingo silver or whatever the new 2024 series is listing this paint coat as, but we do have the other color releases, of course, red, white, and blue with the silver, red, white, and blue with the silver, red, white, and blue. I haven't found a silver GT500, but hopefully they have one. But of course, when it comes to Dark Horse, we are actually growing this one every single time. I mean, we have some really good colors. Yeah, here we go. Red, white, and blue, silver. So maybe that's their thing. Those are the 4 colors that typically come out. And then there's a gray one missing. And then there's a yellow. And then I think maybe red, white, and blue, and then a silver. But I don't know. Seems like it's a pattern. You guys let me know if you agree. But this is a really cool one, and I'm glad to finally find this because people were sending this in messages like asking if I found it. I'm like, nope, haven't found it. Luckily I did. Last one right here is definitely a cool S550. This is a nice silver metallic with the blue stripes. And the thing I like about this one is the color setup just reminds me of the Need for Speed silver and blue stripe. Very clean. So there is this one. Actually, I think I literally just said, I think it goes red, white, blue, and silver. Red, blue, silver. So maybe there's a white one to this. I don't know. If you guys know if there is, comment down below. And if you know there's a gray one to this, let me know. I love that their colors are kind of like a pattern there. Here we go. Another new one for the Pullback collection. All right, so like I said, we scored some really good ones right here. Of course, M2 and the Pullbacks, always looking out for those. And you can find Pullbacks anywhere, truck stops, Dollar General. There's a lot of places that have the Pullbacks. Lowe's carries them. I don't know if Home Depot does because we don't have one here. But outside of that, guys, let's go ahead and dive into the trade that we got from David. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. All right, guys, I have been really trying to get this car in the collection for such a long time, and I am stoked my man came in with this trade deal. Oh man. Oh, there we go. Here we go. We have his sticker right here. Got the Dodge Charger West TN diecast. Go check him out. Go show my man some love, but definitely a great guy in the hobby. So there is that sticker. Oh man, here it is. God, dude, finally got it in the collection. 2007 Mustang Super from the Hot Wheels City. I don't know, this looks like maybe a 15, 2013, 2014. Yep, I was right around there. Yeah, 2014 Mustang 50th. Dude, that is such a gorgeous one. Of course, it's the same color as Ruby. Got the gold stripes, the TH, rubber tires. Just an absolute gem. I can't believe I'm finally adding this to the collection. I got to figure out which car this needs to replace. Oh man, there's some good ones up here. Should it be the Snap-on? No, the Snap-ons are freaking sweet. Treasure Hunt? Maybe the Garage. But I want to keep all those together. Maybe we can take off the main line because we have the Chase right here. We'll take the main line off. Come on, there we go. And we will throw this beauty right up here. So we're going to wait a little bit because I do want to wrap this up and get things going. So we're going to go ahead and set this off to the side. But there we go, guys. That is what we got in our trade from David. Huge thanks, man. I can finally check this off. I got to swap cases out because he chopped the top off just to get it in the box. But I definitely thank you so much for the trade. And hopefully you like your end of the deal and what I sent. But there we go, guys. New Mustangs added to the collection. We got the 67, we have the 2015, the 2024, 1969 funny car, and the 1970 428 Super Cobra Jet. Oh, life is good when you're the Mustang collector, man. Life is good because there's so many out there. But that is all we have, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below your thoughts on what we picked up and am adding to the collection. The total count so far in Mustangs, it's It's a lot. If you guys want to guess how many I have, comment down below your guess. But it's over 3,000. It's over 3,100. So let me know. But other than that, if you haven't, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all of our future episodes, including mail calls and hauls like this. So until next time, guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.